Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the IT. My name is Ratan. Guys, we're discussing Spring Boot MVC project, right? Yeah, this is the project last class what we completed. Because up to last class what we completed, tell me. So I think let me run this project Spring Boot MVC. Okay, just you can write the slash books slash view books is there, no? Last class we done this code, no? Click on add book. Once if we click on add book, we got the details here. Because once if you click on the save book, then what happened here? This empty book is added here. Can you see it, right? Empty book is added here. Two empty books are added, right? Guys, for that, why I want to overcome this problem. I want to go for the validation for this example. I want to go for the validation, guys. We added the jar, right? Validation jar, right? For the validation jar, let me use the data now. You just to check the permit.xml file. In the permit.xml file, this is a starter Spring Boot starter validation. Na? So today, this video, you will go for the validation information, right? Yeah. So this is a web dev tools we know, Lombok we know, test model I'll tell you. This is for the JSP view layer. Because after this project, I'll take another project that is called TimeLeaf view layer. That is called what? TimeLeaf, right? Yeah. Guys, okay, fine. This example, let me go for the validations. Guys, open is a book class, model class is there now. In this model class, can you please add the data? Guys, in the model class, first of all, let me go for some annotation for the validation. At the rate, you can go for the not null annotation is there. Guys, this ID should not be null, right? Guys, ISBN number should not be ISBN number should not be null. That's what, guys. Just you can write the not null annotation. You can go for the message ISBN. Okay, ISBN. So cannot be. Tell me, guys, cannot be null. Cannot be null, guys. That one I can add like this. Because next one is what name is there. Because I'm using different annotation, not blank annotation I can use. Not, it should not be blank, right? Message equal to a name is required. Something like, what we can say, guys, book name. Tell me book name what? Book name is required, right? Exactly. Because even for author also, just you can write the not blank again. Not blank, you can give the message. What the message, tell me, guys, here. We can write the you can write the message equal to what book author. Tell me, guys, book author is what required, right? Book ISBN cannot be null, book name required, book author required, right? Exactly. Because if you want, we have the multiple annotations, depends on requirement, but you understood, right? Once if you know how to use the 2-3 annotations, so that you can apply the remaining annotations, right? At least you can Google and you can write the remaining annotation or not. Because we have added size annotation. Size means you can write the min and max. Yes, minimum 5 characters required, comma max 30 characters required, comma message minimum 5 max 30 characters. Between I only want to enter data. So other name should be other name between, tell me, guys, other name between 5 to 30 characters, right? 5 to 30 characters. Yes, like that, first of all, you should use the annotations here. So not null, not blank, size, like that you should use the annotations, right? Exactly. Because once if you use the annotations here, whenever the data comes to, you enter the details now. Here we click on this one, you enter the details. Once if you enter the, is a file here, this is the data, right? Yeah, once if you enter the details, after enter the details are comes to where, tell me? Guys, once if you enter the details are comes to tell me the details are comes to what, guys? The details are comes to where? The details are comes to save book, right? Guys, the details are comes to save book method. Guys, previously written the code like this, na? Yeah, previously written the code like this. Book service dot what? Yeah, tell me, guys, previously what the code written? Book service dot what? Save book. Book is saved. Guys, tell me the point is that now. Let me, yeah, this is the code I think previously written, right? At the rate valid, I think, yeah, this one I think we added. Yes or no? At the rate model attribute is there, book object data is coming, that we are giving to the save book method. Yes or no? We give the save book method, right? We are redirecting the view books. This is the code what we should write in the previous, right? Exactly. Guys, now let me add the code for the validation, right? Because once your application model class contains the validation annotations, okay, at that time for the controller class the data is coming now. When the data is coming here, we should use one annotation at the rate what annotation, guys, here? Valid annotation. At the rate valid annotation will perform the book data validations. Guys, it will perform the validation. Just you can place the cursor, marks a property, method parameter, return type, validation cascading, right? Validation cascading. Valid annotation we have to use. Guys, once if the validations are failed, assume like validations you didn't enter properly, data is not entered properly because you didn't enter the what you can say ISBN number. Validation is failed. Once the validation failed, those all the result will be stored in the binding result. Guys, @valid will do the validations. If the validations are failed, that errors will be stored in the binding results. Guys, if you place the cursor at binding results, it's showing the errors. Because binding result is taking what errors, right? Exactly. Guys, that's what that you can write the if condition simply. If guys it is validated, then the if any errors are there, those errors are stored into what binding result. That's what guys. Write the message that binding result has errors. If it is true means what? It has the errors, right? Otherwise some cases errors are not there, then it is false. Because if everything is correct means binding result, do you have any data? No errors, right? Yeah, binding result has errors. Okay, validations are failed, have the errors. If you have the errors, you please add these errors into model object. Guys, if you have the errors, you please add this data into which object? Model object or not? Exactly. Guys, go for the model dot add attribute of I'm going to add the errors. Errors nothing but what? Binding result, right? I told you that binding result only contains the tell me binding result only contains what? Errors or not? Guys, you got the point. If condition is clear, @valid, the data is coming to the savebook method here. The data coming to the savebook method that is validated using @valid annotation. Once the validations have any errors, that errors are stored in the binding result. So that's what I'm checking, that binding result has any errors. If the binding result has errors, tell me guys, binding result has errors, then you please add that errors into the model object. I'm adding errors, right? Binding result nothing but errors. This errors nothing but this is the key and value, right? This is errors. I'm adding to model object. So these errors you please display it into where, which file? Tell me. Guys, we have the errors. Which file you want display? Tell me. If you have the errors, you should display the same file or not? What the same file? Tell me here. Books dot what add book, right? Same file you have to display. Guys, if you have the errors, add that errors into the model object and return to same file. What the same file? Tell me. Books/add book. Guys, return slash what? Return to the same file, right? What the same file? Tell me here. Tell me guys, what the same file here? Add book, right? That file is what? Add book file. Guys, are you clear? Then what happened here? Add book.jsp file again displayed or not with these errors? Guys, are you clear? That's it guys, enough. So just we need to add some validations code here. Validations. When this data is entered, the data comes to controller layer. In the controller layer, you should validate using the valid annotation. After valid annotation is done, all the results will be stored in the binding result. If the binding result has the errors, then return that, add that errors into which object? Model object, and you display that errors into the addbook.jsp. This is my addbook.jsp guys. In this addbook.jsp, this is the book ISBN number, right? If it contains errors, guys, you write the code. See guys, day by day the length of the code is increasing. It doesn't mean first time you write everything, right? Guys, don't think like first time you should write everything, na? That is very, very important thing. Guys, see this ISBN contains errors, na? Then you can check the condition. C colon you can write the if. You know, right? This is prefix is there, na? Guys, you please add this prefix. You know that already. Taglib URI is equal to core, prefix equal what? C. You please add it if you are not at the line. Guys, then you can write the C colon text. Guys, I'm writing that is a text condition. I'm writing here dollar. Yes, I'm writing the condition, right? What the conditions are? Not empty. Not empty. What is not empty? Tell me guys, what is not empty? Errors dot, because we added errors, right? Guys, in model object, what we added? Tell me, we added errors or not? Errors dot get field error. Get what field error, right? Get field error of which field? ISBN field, right? ISBN field. So error dot get field error, guys, errors dot what get field error of ISBN. If it is not empty, it is not empty, it means what, this contains not empty. Not empty means data is there, right? Print that error, right? Guys, print that error message. To print that error message, I want to take something like div tag here, because I want to make the some decoration here. That's what you can take the class. What you can write, like, you know, text danger, right? CSS class, guys. Text danger I'm writing. Text danger, because that is a danger color, right? Like red color I want printed it, right? Exactly. Because what I should print, tell me here, dollar braces, this is expression language, errors dot get field error of ISBN dot, we can write the default message, because there we enter the default message, right? The default message you can add, that's all. Guys, you got the point, huh? What did it tell me here now? So test class I'm writing, if, guys, tell me, C colon if text, what the text is here, dollar what, not empty, not empty. What is not empty here? Errors dot get field error, guys, get field error, right? ISBN number, which is not empty, text danger, text danger. What you should write, that data errors dot what, get field error, right? Guys, get what a field error or not, ISBN number, right? That is information, guys, that's it. Guys, if it contains the errors dot get field error ISBN not empty, then this error is printed. Same way field error also go for the book name also, now just you can write the book name. See guys, this is a div opening, this is a div closing. Under this I am writing the error. Guys, this is what error, tell me, errors dot get field error. This field error is not empty, then print the default message. Default message nothing but that message given in the here, right? This is the message that you given, default message. This is the default message, guys. Is very clear now? The last one is what, open this, go for this one. Again you can add the Discord. So again, this is the div opening closing, and here we have the other, right? Exactly, guys, this is called what, other. That's all, guys. Very clear now? That is the information, guys. Yeah, but code is looking very nice, right? So day by day we are doing some more improvements now. Yeah, can please run this code, guys. What we added, tell me here. First you please add the annotations here. After adding the annotation, go for the book controller class. In the book controller class you can add this annotation to validate the data. After validation is done properly, all the errors will be stored in the binding result. Those results have the errors, binding result have the errors. Send that errors to the addbook.jsp, same file, right? This is addbook.jsp now. Send that error to this addbook.jsp. Here the error should be displayed now. That's what addbook.jsp. Just I'm checking the if condition. If error is there, get a field error name. Errors dot get field error of what, name, which is not empty, which is what, not empty. Then you can print the default message, which is not empty, print the message, which is not empty, print the message, right? Guys, yes or no? Yeah, guys, let me run this code. If everything is going good, if I click the enter button, immediately you should get that validation messages. What the messages tell me? ISBN cannot be null, name is required, other is required, like that we get the message, right? Okay, fine. Guys, just let me open this one here. Go back, just refresh. Okay, this is the initial error, right? Guys, click here to add the new book. Once if you click here to add the book, enter the details. Guys, without entering details, click on save book directly. Once if you click on the save book, if everything is going good, then here you get the red marks. If condition is true, na, not empty, error is not empty, right? If condition is true, that's what the error message, default message will get here. All of you pray to God. God should please give me the proper output, huh? Sir, no, yaar. Yeah, give me the proper output. So click on save book, guys. Wow, nice. You have to proud yourself, you have to encourage yourself here. So once you got the output, you should encourage yourself, feeling important, right? Yeah, good. I think everything is coming properly, right? ISBN cannot be null, book name is required, other required. Oh, very nice, guys. This is the base because of what, this if condition, right? If text not empty, errors dot get field error not empty, text danger, text what, danger, right? Otherwise you can write the text warning. You can write this warning, text warning. Just you can click on save book. Somewhere data changed. See guys, book name is required because this is a warning, right? Color again, text danger, text warning, text success. Danger is good. Guys, click on save. Danger, right? Exactly. Guys, yes or no? Yeah. Guys, enter the book ISBN number. I enter like book ISBN number 1007. Book name is I want to enter the core Java. And book author, you do one thing, take the only 2 characters. AB I entered. But book author, what we return, tell me here. Book author, I return like 5 to 30. But 5 to 30, this is only 2 characters. 2 characters. If it is 2 characters, what the expected answer now? Length should be, guys, data is there, other data is there. Book author required. Okay, other is there, but characters how many you given? 2. But as per the validation, we expected like length should be 5 to 30 characters, right? Yeah, guys, click on save book. Now see the message. Okay, these 2 are the valid, but this is showing what? Other name between the 5 to 30 characters, right? That's what, guys, you should enter the details clearly. Core Java, and let me write the code is RATAN SIR, right? I think that is not a problem. Guys, once if you click on the save book, now book is highlighted here. Guys, yes or no? I think we done the validations very clearly. Here just add some annotations. Go for the controller. The data comes to here. That's what valid annotation. If any errors are there, those errors are there in the binding result. If the binding result has the error, send that errors to the addbook.jsp. Same page, right? If any errors are there, addbook.jsp errors you can send. Get field error name if it is not empty. Error is not empty means error is there. Print the message. If condition is true, print the message. Condition is false means not print the message, right? Yeah. See guys, that much data is coming now. Guys, are you clear now? Yeah, everything is going good, right? Yeah. Guys, you got the errors clearly or not? ISBN required, name required, is all required. You got the point, right? Just you can write the 1005. So ABC, you can write ABCDEFGH, something like this, right? Click on save book. ABC, ABCDEFGH, right? Guys, once the data is added, here I want to give some message. Data saved successfully. Data added successfully. Guys, data saved successfully, data added successfully. I want some confirmation message, right? Here I want some confirmation message, guys. To send this confirmation message here, you got my intention, right? What intention, tell me? Once if you add the data, once if you click on the save book method, when you're going back, right, here I should get the message that data saved successfully. You got the point of data saved successfully. So what we should do, guys, to send that kind of messages to data saved successfully. But first of all, you do one thing. You saved book, save book data, na? That book is saved into which object? Books, right? There he can take the return type is boolean, guys. Why return type boolean means once the book is added, guys, book is added, then return the true. So you guys place the cursor here, return the boolean value. Book is added, return the true. Observe carefully. Book is added, return the true. This book is added into what? Books, right? Yeah, book is added, return the true. Then book service dot what? Save book data. If book is added, what it returns? Return the boolean, right? Status, return the true. What I am doing here, if of B means what? Book is added, it returns the true, right? Guys, book is added, what is the status? Return the true or not? Status is true. That's what? Then status you are getting. Status is true means what? If the status is true, I want to give some message. Guys, status is true, I want to give some message, right? To add that message, guys, we have the redirectional attributes actually. Redirect attributes. Guys, what the attribute name here? Redirect attributes. Redirect attributes, redirect attributes. If it is success, observe carefully, redirect attributes dot add flash attribute. Add flash attribute. What the message I'm giving here? Guys, add the flash attribute. What the message, tell me guys? Save message. Save message, give the message data saved successfully. Guys, data saved what? Successfully. This is a flash message. Guys, this flash message I can print it in the viewbooks.jsp file. Guys, we are redirecting to the viewbooks or not? URL. Viewbooks URL nothing but what? Viewbooks.jsp file, right? Viewbooks.what? JSP file or not? That's what, guys. In the viewbooks we are redirecting to which file here? Data saved successfully. Yeah? Once the data saved means what happened here? This is a flash attribute, na? Redirectional attribute. Redirectional attribute is there, na? Redirectional attribute, I added this flash message. This message I want display in the viewbooks. Go for the viewbooks now. In the viewbooks, in the top means what? After list of books information, because I want display here list of books information below. Okay, this is a list of books information. Here below, let me write one div tag. Here I want print a message. What is the message I want print? Tell me here. Div tag. I want print the text center format. That's what you can take the class. You can write the text center. What the message I want? What the message I want? Tell me here. Let me go for the C colon. C colon if I want check, right, because flash attribute is there or not. C colon if. Why C colon if is not coming? C is imported. Yes, C colon imported. Then you can write the C colon if test is coming, right? Fine. Guys, test you can write the condition now. What the condition? Tell me here. Guys, condition is what? Yeah, condition you can previously what we written. Tell me condition means not empty. Guys, you can write what amount? Not empty. Not empty. You should write inside the expression language dollar. Guys, what should you write? Tell me, guys. Not empty. Which one is not empty? Save message. Okay, save message not empty because where we added it, tell me here. This is called save message, right? Exactly. Guys, save message not empty. Guys, this message I'm populating in the viewbooks, man. That's it. Guys, save message not empty. Not empty save message. Just you can print that save message data. Guys, yes or no? To print the data, what I should write here? Div tag. Div tag. Otherwise, just directly can give the message here. What the message tell me? That save message is there, no? Just you can write the what we can say here. Save message, right? That's all. Guys, save message not empty. Print that save message. That's all. Guys, are you clear now? That is the information, guys. Save message not empty. That save message will be printed. That's all. Guys, are you clear now? Yes. Guys, let me save this code. Book controller is there now. Yeah, I think you got the flash attribute, right? If data success, data saved. Saved means return value status true. Status true means this message sent to the viewbooks. In the viewbooks, what I done? In the viewbooks, I am writing the message just. In the below message, text condition I am writing. Not empty save message. Save message is not empty. Just print the save message, right? Exactly. Guys, come to this example. Just we can refresh. Application reloaded. Application reloaded means what? We got the initial data, right? This is initial data. Just click on this one here. Can please enter the 1008. Can please add the core Java. You can add the RATAN SIR like this. Guys, click on save book. Guys, now we expected this message. What message? Tell me. Flash attribute message. Data saved successfully, right? This message I want. Guys, click on the save book. See the message. Can you see the message, all of you? Data saved successfully. Yes, can you see the message, all of you? Data saved successfully, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? That is called viewbooks. Guys, this redirect attributes is sent it to the redirect page. This is the page. These errors are binding result will be sent to the same page. What the point? Tell me here. Redirect attributes are sending to the redirect page. Errors are sending to what? Error page, right? Same page. That is the point, guys. Guys, but here one have the small issue. This is the code is correct, no problem. Guys, but tell me in the real time what happened, today the client is asking the message data saved successfully, simple message is asking. But tomorrow he will ask the message that I don't want data saved successfully. I want a message like data successfully inserted. He want message like that. If you want message like the data successfully inserted, then what we should tell me here? We should open this controller and we should change the code here, right? We should change the code here or not? But changing the code here is good practice or not good practice, ma? Not good practice. That's what, guys, in real time what we will do. Save message is there, na? Here just we can return the attribute true or false. Just I return the true. Now flash attribute is what? True. Guys, flash attribute is what? Just he written the true. True means what? In the view layer. Now view layer. Here what you will get, just you can write the save message. If you write the save message means what? This is a true. Now save message what you got? True, right? If it is a true means here you can give the data. Data inserted successfully. Tomorrow if you want any modification, simply I can do the modification in the view layer, right? Previously controller layer you will give the message. That message are redirected to what file? Tell me, that message is redirected to what file? Tell me. Viewbooks file, right? That message is redirected to the viewbooks file. But the problem is what? Tomorrow the client is asking that you please change this message. Again we have to open the controller file, right? But again opening the controller file is good practice or not good practice? Not good practice, right? That is the reason, guys. That is the reason what this fellow is doing. This fellow is giving the return value true. Guys, if it is a true means what? Flash attribute save message is a true. Save message true means what happened here? We got the save message text, text save message. This is a true. True means what? This message is printing. Tomorrow if you want any modification, I can do the modification in the view layer or not. Exactly, that is a way of doing the application real time. Guys, enter the details here. 1005. I enter like Ratan, book name, and book other is what? Ratan sir, no problem. Guys, click on save book now. See guys, now you got the message data inserted successfully or not? Guys, data inserted what? Successfully, right? Now which data is coming, guys? Controller layer previously are in data saved successfully. Now we return the true. True means here view books data in successfully, right? Successfully, yeah. But the client is asking tomorrow any modification. Then you can write the client. Okay. So client name I'm writing now tomorrow. Just you can save it. I done the modification which layer? Tell me now. View layer. If you don't give the flexibility here, then we have to change in the controller layer, right? But changing the code in the controller layer is good or not good? Not good, right? Exactly. Guys, click on add book. Guys, I'm adding 1 2 3 4 5. Guys, I enter the Ratan and book is also Ratan, right? Click on the save book. See guys here, data insert successfully. Client name is coming or not? Wow, we are going good. Guys, are you clear, right? Yeah, patience, guys, patience and hard work. That's all. All of you clear about these points or not? You please take care about that validation and you please take this flash message. Tomorrow if I click on the delete, next class let me go for the delete directly. Delete option. Then here you should get the message data deleted successfully. Data deleted what? Successfully. I want to get the message here like this. Delete option. Okay, see clear? So today you got this message flash attribute. See what is the message you want display, that message you should add into the flash attribute. Book is saved, then return the status true. Status true means what? Save message true. True. Actually you can give the message here also, but it's not good. That's what you can return the true and false values, because the client will ask like, no, tomorrow please change me my message. Then again we open the controller layer, is not good, right? Just you can change the view layer. Clear? Yeah. Guys, please all of you like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Thank you guys. Patience is important. All of you please note down the notes. All of you, once if you done the practicals, please comment it, sir, I done the practicals. And please share all the videos to your friends also, so that they'll get a good subject, right? Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye.